In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer GTA Online from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The process of migrating your GTA Online progress from your PlayStation 4 to your PlayStation 5 is super straightforward. You will be able to do this by opening up Online on your PlayStation 5. So first, I recommend doing some preparations. Both your PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 consoles should be updated to the latest firmware versions alongside with the game. Make sure that you back up your PlayStation 4 save data just in case, and now you will be able to start the transfer. Launch GTA Online and navigate to the in-game settings menu. Usually, you will find the option to migrate your character to the PlayStation 5. Alternatively, you can also initiate the transfer on the PlayStation 5 itself by simply heading over to Online. You will see this prompt that allows you to transfer over your character. So the first time that you open GTA Online on your PlayStation 5, you can go ahead and select the option to transfer, and your character should be detected. So you will see this: continue your GTA Online adventure by migrating a previous GTA Online profile to this console. This will delete any existing GTA Online profile data on this console, and migration is unavailable for PC. So all that you have to do here is select the character. Once the migration has started, you will see your character, all of the levels, all of the money, all of the XP, and so on, and you will be able to play through the entirety of GTA Online with the previous character that you had. Keep in mind that this is going to permanently remove the GTA Online profile from the previous generation console and moving it to this console, overriding any existing GTA Online data. Any unspent GTA cash will also be migration, and migration can only be done once. It cannot be undone, so keep all of that in mind. If you proceed, you will be able to access GTA Online with your new character. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer GTA Online from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.